Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Xero. In this video I want to show how to set accounts for Xero invoices in Clerk. The Clerk Invoices app could be connected to Xero. This integration allows sending invoices and time reports to Xero. Every invoice line in Xero should be connected to Xero account. And Clerk Invoices app does this connection automatically using the following logic. First, it tries to use the default sales account from the service or product connected to each invoice line. If it's not set, it uses the default sales account from the client settings. And if it's not set as well, the clerk will use the default sales account. So that's how it works. You can watch more videos about Xero integration features in our help center. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.